What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today me and Owen are going to explore an abandoned train tunnel. Let's go check it out.
I mean, like, echo. Ooh. Echo.
Is it echoey?
Yeah!
Pretty cool, huh?
Let's turn on the handy dandy light.
Got your flashlight on?
I'm in the sewer right now.
A little bit of water falling.
I haven't seen no leaks, but
Looks like up here it switches over to the old rock from the smooth tunnel. Look at that. It's like being in a cave.
oh, look how dark it is now.
Oh yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
It is chilly down here towards the end of this little cave part. Chilly and wet and water coming down. So we have made it to the
You
end.
told me you have to have a challenge at the end.
Pretty nifty. I don't know the exact year they built this, but I will leave the information down in the description.
Anything cool?
Oh, and have you found any cave trolls?
No,
No. Have you ever been in a cave this big?
Yeah, we have.
Tunnel. It just looks like a cave. I keep calling it a cave. It's a tunnel. It's so cold down here towards the end that the water on the ground is actually starting to freeze. It's about 40 degrees outside right now, I'd say. Get towards the middle, it gets so dark. You're the furthest point from light on both ends.
I didn't even know my light. Huh?
Oh, I'm getting rained on. If I remember right, this one is roughly 1,000 foot. Like the echo.
Yeah, all the echo!
Well, we survived. There's the end, way back there. Let me turn my headlamp off for you guys. Way at the end. It's not really.
Like it just keeps going.
It's not really that far, but it just looks that far. But pretty cool little walk. I don't think I've been in one quite that far, or quite that long. Here's what the outside of the one end looks like. Used to go over this old reservoir across the street. I think, if we can see down there, there might be what's left of the old bridge on the other side. There's at least the posts in the river there coming up. You can see where it used to cross over. So the path through the forest on the other side, but pretty cool place. I stopped out here to check out this dam. Be pretty cool to see one up close. Owen's been studying different forms of energy and renewable energy and for science class, and it'd be kind of cool to get out here and check one out for real. So there we go. What do you think, buddy?
This is awesome, and that's probably where they make the electricity.
It might be. Let's go look at the other side. What kind of electricity are they making? Hold on, I can't hear you.
Hydro energy?
Hydroelectricity, hydro energy, yep. Let's check out this guy. There. And over there, if you guys can see, that out there in the water is the old basis for the supports of the bridge that used to carry the trains from through that tunnel. Hey Owen, how cool of a sledding hill would this be in the winter?
Oh, that would be fast! What would I say?
Hopefully that's a little bit more of a close-up of those supports for the old bridge. Alright, how many steps have we climbed?
104!
104. It really doesn't look like 104. But it feels like 104. Alright, what did our total come out to?
180 steps.
180
Other than
steps.
100.
Even? 180 even?
Yes.
Wow, right on. We'll definitely have to come back and check this out. I guess there's trails back here you can check out and walk around, so neat little place.
And we saw a horde of ducks and a fountain.
There were a lot of ducks. All right, everybody. I think that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for joining us. We got our, we're going to sit here and enjoy our donuts and hot cocoa. So
I got a strawberry frosted with sprinkles donut.
remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.